Okay, let's try tiny test 3, solving equations with brackets. Now, remember, when you've got brackets, you don't have to all the time, but it's usually the best way to go is just think, I'm going to expand my brackets first. So go ahead and expand the brackets. Let's look what we get. So 4 times 3x gives us 12x, and 4 times minus 2 is 8 equals 34. Now we've expanded the brackets, we've got something like we've seen before, and we can go, well, here's the unknown. What happened to the unknown? We got times by 12, and then we took away 8. So we can either think that or write it if you need to. Times by 12, and then took away 8. So to solve it, first thing we need to do is plus 8, and then divide by 12. So let's go through and plus 8, plus 8. So the minus 8 plus 8 goes, we're left with 12x on that side. 12x is equal to 34 plus 8 is 42. So we've done the adding 8 to both sides. Now the next bit is to divide both sides by 12. Divide by 12, divide by 12. X is equal to, what's 42 divided by 12? It's 3.5. That's the answer. Okay, so question 2. Remember, you try it first and then see how you go and have a look what I did. So we're going to expand the brackets first, which is what we're going to do. We need to go 6 times x and 6 times 3. Now that's got nothing to do with this plus 2x. It's not part of the expanding. So let's go ahead. 6x is 6 times x is 6x plus 6 times 3 is 18. That's the 2x, which is sitting there on the left-hand side, equals 26. Now, this is different to what we've seen before, because we actually have some like terms here on the same side of the equal sign of the equation to put together. So here we are, the whole side here. Do we have any here that are like terms? We have a 6x, and it goes with the 2x. Now, see, I did include this plus because the sign that's directly in front of the term is the one that's connected to it. So we need to bring the 6x and the 2x together. So that becomes 6x plus 2x is 8x. And we still have the 18 there. Now you've got something like you've seen before. So in the past, you either do it in your head or you write it down like this. But you think, what had happened to the unknown? We've got times by 8, and then we added 18. So you need to either think that or write it down. Here, times by 8, and then we add the 18, and then undo it. What's the last thing that happened? We added the 18, so the first thing is to take the 18 away, and then rather than times by 8, we divide it by 8. So let's do the minus 18 first to both sides. Minus 18, minus 18. 18 minus 18 goes, we're left with 8x is equal to 26 minus 18 is 8. So we've done that bit. Next bit is divide by 8. Divide by 8, divide by 8, 8 over 8 goes. So you get x is equal to 1. And you can always check your answer by substituting it back into the original